Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel! If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm FlowerChild V. And I have friends today! And we're outside! We're going on a nature sesh. Oh! Hello! How are you? It's so windy. Hello ducks! How are you today? Hello, swans. Can we see them?
Holy shit! I've never seen them in person.
I can't tell if you can see this on camera, but they're swans. We're gonna get closer. Yo, swans come here all the time. This is the place to find swans, especially at that first lookout. Hi, Mr. Swan. Or Mrs. Swan. You know, we're not assuming your gender. Pop your heads out. I want to see you. Hello. Hi. Hello, friends. You guys having a good day? Hi. Damn, it looked right at me. This is terrifying. Don't come attack us. Oh my god. Alright, we found a cute little spot. Also, I have this little thing that I won. And it fits a lighter and 2 king-size joints, but we don't have kings in there today, but that's okay. It's actually pretty sick.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's called the Hit Kit.
I like the rose on it.
That's the sticker I put on. So, which one should I spark up first? We have 2 little joints. Well, one little, one big. Yeah. Spark this one? Yeah. I don't know how well this is going to work.
So you pick which one.
Oh my god, don't roll away.
The wind.
It's like kind of going.
Did it work?
Kind of.
Started. That was painful.
We got her going. Yeah, no pressure.
I don't know. I was kidding about not sharing. I'll share.
You want me to like? Oh my god.
Shit, it fell off the table.
It's fine. It's fine. We got it. It's still intact. We're good.
Literally, you're like,
At least it wasn't a puddle. It's a good thing it was frozen.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly it, yeah.
Good old Northern Ontario. It's fucking cold again today. Yeah, it was like 0 yesterday, and guess how much it was this morning? -14.
14. Oh shit, I knew.
Well, at my house. It's warmer now, but it's still cold.
Yeah, I checked. I knew it was cold. Didn't know it was that cold.
Did you want this one or do you want me to light this one? Why did I light this one then? We're gonna...
Oh, I mean, you can relight it.
I will, yeah.
Oh god, are we gonna have this struggle again? No. Oh.
You're brave. I could never do that with a lighter.
It's even now.
We don't have coronavirus. We're just hitting weed.
We think.
No.
Okay, so in this one, there's AK-48 and a lot of Charlotte CBD. So that one's mostly CBD. This one has just the AK-48 for comparison.
Oh, it took a long time.
Pace yourself, girl.
I know. All of a sudden I was like, oh, I'm breathing that in. There you go.
Yeah, it's really smooth, but then it hits your throat.
She's like getting in her eyes now.
So that's called a night oak.
I just see like
Is it really?
Yeah, it's when you get like smoke in your eyeballs and you're doing that, that's called an eye choke. Nice day though, super sunny.
Yes, nice. This is the one with the hat.
I'm sorry, I came prepared. Wow, I am the only one with the hat.
Not a hood.
I'm the only true northerner in this group.
Hey, I've got a big hood.
Just kidding. We all live here. We all know what's up. It just threw us off guard because like yesterday literally was 0 degrees.
Oh my god.
Like yesterday was
Yesterday
beautiful.
was, I think, even like 1, 2 maybe? Like,
I don't
it was
know.
a little bit warmer.
It was fucking nice yesterday. Yeah, I had my spring coat on, had just like little boots. It's great.
You could finish it. Hey, you could finish that. Besides, my hand's also getting cold.
You have good roll making.
Oh, this one is harsh. Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I hit the back of
Oh my
throat.
god. Okay, guys, this one is hitting so much smoother. You guys should have hit this one.
Is that any left in there?
I just put it out.
Thanks. Yeah. That one. That hit the back of my throat hard.
I mean, when you get close to the end, it gets hot, and like, I usually take like, I'll do like a bunch of like little puffs. I'll go like, that way you get cold air in between. It doesn't hurt as much.
That one hurt. I've tried yours before, and I'm like, okay, I'll take like a hit of that. Yeah, no, that one, I felt that in the back of my throat.
That's government CBD. That's not my CBD.
Oh,
That's the difference.
oh well, you bought it. That's why.
Yeah, no, this like the
Said beta.
the
Screw
CBD
it.
that's in there is from the government website. It was cheaper than my medical site, so we thought we'd try it out. I don't recommend.
I mean, at least it's still legit.
Which one is it?
It's called Charlotte CBD. I don't know if it's still in stock. I bought it a little while ago.
Yeah.
It's okay. Every once in a while, I get kind of a weird like chemically taste, just because I'm used to like the all natural stuff. So.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna say it definitely is different from yours.
Well, I mean, it's
definitely
CBD first off.
Yeah.
And it's like a different strain. It's over.
Yeah, I was
It's
gonna
fine.
say,
It's over.
You're really gonna struggle with the lighter again.
Let's keep walking. Found this cute little side trail with less people, so we took it. Because we ain't about the people life right now.
Kind of avoiding them at all costs if we can.
Yeah, nature is our friend.
Nature's not sick.
Ooh, it's a little icy here. Can't even tell on camera, but it is. We're like in a canopy of
Very pretty.
trees.
Like, this is like.
All right, we've. You're just quacking with the ducks. Can we see them? I can't tell.
I don't know.
Anyways, we've gotten to the end of the trail. Thanks for coming along with us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I can't see. Yeah, okay. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Bye, friends.